Hi guys, welcome to Gold Mines review. In this Zapable 2022 review, I'm gonna to showing you the software that allows you to easily make and sell a mobile app in just few minutes. And stay till end of the video so you can know exactly what you're getting an update regarding OTOs and free bonuses. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. It was very helpful to me. For you can get the best deals and offers for upcoming software and coaches. If you want to check out the Zapable 2022 review, just go ahead and click the link below in the description box. So we are here in that Zapable 2022 agency sales page. Let's get started. Here you can see to dominate a virtually untapped marketplace and create your own professional app within a minute. They say it works for any business niche. In this software package, you can get unlimited instant mobile app builder plus done for you agency pack. Let's see guys how this Zapable 2022 works. Let's see some demos.
So welcome to this demo of Zapable. Let's just dive straight into it. So first step, I'm going to log into the members area. And inside the members area, this is where you're going to be able to access all the information such as all the training and how to build your very first app, exact steps from A to Z that you can follow along. You're going to have all the different ideas you can use for the features, past training webinars that we've had, and all the bonuses and updates that we're adding to Zapable. But let's just jump straight to the builder as I'm really excited to show you these templates. So inside the builder we have a number of templates that you can use: coffee shop, online coaches, personal trainer, realtors, restaurant. So let's just have a look at the coffee shop app first. Well, if you want to change your layout for your apps, that's really easy to do. You just need to click here where it says change your layout, and you can pick all these different menu designs. So you can see here we have a lot of different designs that you can just point and click your way to changing. It really is that simple. You click on the one you like and it changes. Okay, so these are all the ones we have available that will be in your account. Okay, next, if you want to change colors, you just click on colors, and to change it, you just click and you make it whatever color you want. So you see here, I'm going to make the menus blue, and you can see here they go blue. If I want to change them back, I can just simply drag and drop to the colors that I want to make them. It really is point and click easy. That is why Zapable was built. Next, you might be wondering, okay, let's have a look at these features. But let me just do one little thing different that you've probably never seen happen before. How would you like to have this app that you're seeing right now on your phone right now? Okay, let's go do that. So I'm going to go and I'm going to show you a QR code. So all you need to do is bring out your smartphone, your mobile phone, turn on the camera as if you're going to go take a photo of the screen, and just hold it up to the screen. And the camera will scan this code and you'll be able to check out this app on your mobile phone. Or you can open up the browser on your phone, whether you use Chrome or Safari, depending on whether you're using Apple or Android, and just go and type in the coffee shop app, and that will also load this app onto your phone. So while you're doing that, let me just show you some of the features. In this app we have track and trace. This is all due to the COVID restrictions that came in, that restaurants and local businesses are required. And you might be wondering, how hard is it to create these forms? Not hard at all. In fact, all you need to do is select what you want. So for this example, we have an image. So you'll see here image, and then over here you're going to see the image. Okay, and then that's just selecting this, and boom, select the image you want, and that's it added. That's how easy it is to do. Next, We have menus, so you can view the menus within the device. We have locations, where for this we have video, images, text, the address, the phone number, the contact details, all of the location.
Yeah guys, we back to the video, and you can see the demo video as well. So here I mentioned how you can build an app in 3 simple steps. Number 1, choose your design and layout on your own. Scroll through our amazing designs and layout option, fully customizable. Number 2, you can select that layout for your convenient. They provide more than 30 features in that in building app. You can choose which one is suit for you for your app. Step number 3 is most crazy part. You can publish your instant app in App Store as well as in Play Google. In your new building app, you can able to link your social media. You can able to link your Facebook, you can able to link your Instagram account and LinkedIn account and YouTube as well as TikTok. That's cool, right? In Zapable agency app pack, you get include that comprehensive and incredible high quality done for you agency, making this offer totally no barrier. So in this agency pack, you can get 17 done for you lead generating videos. Here are some example videos. You can get this into your sales page, and free FP group control. You can get that group for Zapable app, and Instagram DM cut and paste script, a script that generating leads. You can get that FP messenger lead generating message template as well. You get over 17 amazing quiz pages like gardening, dentist, financial, veterinary, so etc etc. And you can get done for you email template as well. Yeah guys, you can able to get an ready-made template for your business. Just cut and paste the content, then to your lead get generated, and you get some rate card as well, and you get some app contract. So opening launching event, you can get 5 bonuses for pre-built app templates and digital business card builder and premium quiz module and premium subscription module, as well as listed on your exclusive Go Trust app marketplace. It guys, thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to check out the Zapable 2022 full review, just go ahead, click the link in the description in the bio. Bye bye guys, thank you.